If you or someone you know is a little trigger happy on in-app purchases on your phone, you can turn that functionality off. So in-app purchases cannot be made. You can, of course, then turn it back on whenever you want, so you can make in-app purchases, but the person who's a little trigger happy can't. To do this, we go into the settings and we scroll down to screen time. If you don't have screen time turned on, there'll be a toggle here asking you to turn it on. You create a passcode. Keep that passcode secret because it's required to change these settings. So once you have screen time on and the passcode created, scroll down to content and privacy restrictions, tap on that, and then tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Here we see in-app purchases are set to don't allow. We can switch it to allow at any time, enter our passcode. Since we entered our passcode just moments ago, we can switch back to don't allow and not require a passcode. But if you hadn't been in here for a while, it would ask you for a passcode. And once this is set to don't allow, in-app purchases won't be possible on any apps from the App Store, which depending how trigger happy this person is who does in-app purchases, that could save you a lot of bank just right there with that one setting. And if you want to check your phone for malware or viruses, this is how you do it and how you delete them if you find any. So make sure you check out that video next. If you have value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.